until at last Pooh fell fast asleep and began to dream.
Heffalumps and woodles, heffalumps and woodles, steal honey. Beware, beware.
They're black. They're brown. They're out.
They're down.
They're in. They're out. They're all about. They're far. They're near. They're cold. They're here. They're quick and slick. They're insincere. Beware. 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 The heffalump is very unusual. The heffalump very size. They come in buns and boozles, but if they so chooses, before your eyes you see them multiply. They're extraordinary, so better be wary, because they come in every shape and size. If money what you covet, you'll find that they love it, because they guzzle up the thing you rise. They're green, they're blue, they're pink, they're white, they're round, they're square, they're a terrible sight.
They tie themselves in horrible knots.
They come in stripes, polka dots. Beware, 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 beware.
Is it raining in there? It's raining out here, too.